Nakitlong karikasi. Ngiwan lam shapi ko sngur bakhuit parpashngam. Ka beats aqua. Shpausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Our generation never had influencers. I did know one influencer. It was my dad's right hand.
Been hearing about you a lot, Shillong. On March 27th. Get your tickets so you don't miss out on the laughs. Let's make this special.
Umentri ramba jong jalau konrat ki sangmau la ong baki MDC ke TMC baki MDC Shimet ne independent kila wan lang shrup ban thau ya ke executive committee ban penurlong ya ke jing angnu jong ki pai ba garo habakaran menta ka sngi konrat la ong da ka babu sharut ya ke jing sngo seng san perthei ki MDC kila wan ban ye trailang na ka menta ka hok jong ki pai ba garo hills ban kani ka dei ka dak ka ba itnat ban pha ya ke khubor ka baklan ban na ka banta ka jing bit jing biang jong ki pai ba ki bo shadin yaga politics.
Yes, as Chief Minister, we are there to always guide and always, give whatever thoughts from our side. But ultimately, the District Council has to take a call. So, it's the District Council is the autonomous body. So, hence we will see and we will wait for the different decisions being made by the Council. But we are in close touch with the leaders of the District Council, the new CEM and the new EC, and based on discussion we will see how to move forward.
Critics say that there are random arrests. Your take on that?
Again, I have been very clear that the law has to take its course. In that process, the police will always move on evidence and move as per the law. I am not in a position to really comment on that particular aspect. It is purely a police work. And it's not that I sit with them and go through the files and the investigation. It's a completely independent process. And so the concerned SP or the concerned DIG or the IG will be in a better position. You can always ask them about these details.
Will you also constitute an inquiry into this Garhills violence?
The Honourable Leader of Opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, had spoken to me and written to me a few days back. The kind of incident that happened and the kind of situation that unfolded does require some kind of investigation to take place as to what led to the circumstances and who were involved in especially the section where violence took place and public property was damaged, private property was damaged. So those aspects do need to be looked into detail, but how and what kind of inquiry we are yet to examine, because we of course all been busy with this particular situation. So in the days to come we will take a call on that.
Alliance with the TMC, will it be a long-term affair?
You see, at this point in time I am I should say very happy to see that keeping the political differences and political positions aside, the TMC and the MDCs of the TMC and the leadership of TMC and some of the independent MDCs, they came together for the rights of the people and for the concerns of the people, especially the tribal community in Garo Hills, especially in Garo Hills. Therefore, this is a very, very positive and a very strong message to the people of Garo Hills, that when it comes to the people, that different political parties and leaders go beyond party lines and look at what is good for the people and the state as a whole. And I think this is a shining example of that, and therefore I give my sense of appreciation to the MDCs of the TMC and the independent MDCs, as well as the leadership, for taking this very, very correct and bold and very strong stand to support this particular bill and be part of this EC.